Mahi Mahi with quinoa, green beans, and mango salsa. Sauteed green beans, my way, which is the easy way. Most recipes call for a two-step cooking process. It includes blanching the green beans in boiling water first, cooling them off, then sauteing them with aromatics. But I'm going to show you my hack, which makes it a lot easier. We need about 2 handfuls of green beans. That's enough for 2 servings. Fine sliced about half of a small onion, a 1/4 cup water, salt, fresh black pepper, and about a 1/4 teaspoon oregano. In a saute pan that has a lid, add 1 teaspoon cooking oil, add the onions, and cook on medium heat, stirring frequently until the onions are tender and lightly browned. When the onions are nicely browned, like this, and very soft, add the beans, add the oregano, add the water, and immediately cover it. As you can see, this creates a lot of steam inside, so you're actually steaming and cooking the green beans at the same time and infusing them with the flavor of the onions. After 3 to 4 minutes, the water will be almost all evaporated. As you can see, the onions are nice and brown, and the beans are of a nice tender crisp. So when you flip it, or when you bend it, it breaks. That's a perfect green bean. Nice, tender crisp. Add some salt, fresh ground black pepper. Mix very well, and ready to serve. And here they are, nicely sauteed green beans with a nice bright color. You can serve them as a side dish to anything you like, really, fish, meat, or just by themselves with some quinoa or some rice. They're very delicious and very nutritious. Like and subscribe, because there is more coming.